Hello, everyone, and welcome to CE Institute. My name is Selena. I'm the founder and one of the CE providers and instructors here, where we teach massage and bodywork training. And today I wanted to quickly show you how we teach some of our scalp massage, which we practice from the side of the table. In basic massage schools, they usually have you sitting at the head of the table, scooping your hands underneath the client's head and massaging the client's head in this manner or method, which is perfectly acceptable. But there's more than one way to massage a scalp. So let's review. When we massage our scalp services, first of all, I like to finger comb, and this is what I'm doing right now. It's inserting your fingers near the client's scalp and brushing outwards. Now, the next thing I'm going to do while standing on the side of the table is I'm turning the client's head towards me, and I have one hand facing the other in fingertips facing each other, and it's almost like a petrissage. Now I'm adding flexion and extension with that massage. And you can this is a simultaneous while your fingers are going together. This is alternating where one hand strokes, then the other hand strokes. Now I'm going to scrape a little bit along the occiput here. I'm going to put one finger over the other, the middle finger over the pointer finger for joint stacking to stabilize and give greater pressure with less effort, and go right back to that alternating and simultaneous. Now I'm just doing a really nice, vigorous scalp massage, really getting the circulation going with that stimulation. And I'm going to walk to the other side of the table. Whenever you do scalp massage from the side of the table, you would do it bilaterally. Okay, so when you're sitting at the top of the table, you'd probably just sit there and maybe sometimes you'll do cervical rotation, do one side, then the other. But when you're working from the side of the table, you definitely want to work bilaterally. So now that we're on the other side, we're doing the similar techniques of what we did on the first. And we're just giving a nice simultaneous, now alternating, and you can do the neck flexion extension into some vigorous movements here. Now I have my joint stacking, and I'm going to scrape and scratch along the occipital ridge and all the occipital muscle attachments there. Finger comb through the hair, give a nice little petrissage and massage again, and try and give a little bit of an even service from one side of the other. And there you have it. So that's a little bit of how we practice and teach scalp massage here at the school. We have many other techniques and methods as well. But for those of you who are sick of sitting at the top of the table and working at the top, you do not have to sit at the top of the table to do scalp massage, practice scalp massage. You can practice from the side of the table. Let me go back to that video one more second here, because I'm going to show you like a thumb circular friction. And there it is. It's a little thumb circular friction with hands on both sides and finger combing through the top too as well. So if you want to learn more, we hope that you subscribe to our YouTube station where you're already watching this. We already have social media channels such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And you can find our social media on our menu bar, usually underneath all the different modalities that we teach. We teach CE hours for nurses, massage therapists, the cosmetology industry, many different state boards, and the NCBTMB. We do hope to see you in one of our classes. And until we do see you in a class, be safe.